Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss 2 marks important question and answers for OEC economics subject. So first question, what is poverty? Poverty is a situation in which people with very little assets, they are unable to meet the minimum basic amenities and they are faced with the problem of unstable employment. Second question, what is poverty line? A systematic line showing the level of poverty in a country is called as poverty line. What is gross domestic product? The monetary value of all final goods and services produced by a country in a year is called gross domestic product. What is net domestic product? Net domestic product is the product of a country minus the depreciation cost of all finished goods and services produced in a year. What is gross national product? Gross national product is the product obtained by adding the monetary value of all final goods and services produced by a country in a year to the earnings received from abroad. What is national product? Net national product. The net national product is the monetary value of all final goods and services produced by a country in a year and the income received from abroad minus depreciation expenses. What is national income? The income earned by the people and business organization of a country in a given year is called as national income. What is per capita income? Per capita income is the amount of income received by each person from a country income during a year. What is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where there is a ability to work and mind to work, willing to work, but not getting a job. What is a trade balance? Trade balance is the difference between the imports and exports of goods and services made by a country with the other countries during a particular period. What is payment arrears? The balance of payment or payment arrears is the difference between import and exports of goods and services, financial transfers, payments that a country has made with other countries over a period of time. What is current account? Current account is an account that shows the record of goods and services of a country has made with other countries over a period of time. What is capital account? An account that shows the financial and transfer payments made by a country with the other countries over a period of time is called capital account. What is foreign exchange rate? The rate at which one country currency is paid or exchanged in another country's currency is called as the foreign exchange rate. What is export trade? Export trade is the activity in which a country sells its produced goods and services to other countries for money. What is import trade? Import trade is the activity in which a country buys essential goods and services with other countries. What is physical deficiency? So the physical difference between the government's total expenditure and its receipts excluding its debt balance is called as capital deficiency. So revenue deficit is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts. This is the formula for revenue deficit. What is an advance? A method of expressing the expected result through number is called as forecasting. So forecasting, it means what is forecasting. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is the systematic development of infrastructure for the people of today for the benefits of future generation. What is the population growth? What is population growth? Population growth is the change in the population of an area over a period of time. What is consumer price index? Consumer price is the measure of standard of living of consumers and purchasing power of consumers. What is inflation? A decrease in the purchasing power of money is called inflation, or An increase in the value of goods and services in an economy over time is called inflation. What is foreign direct investment, FDI? Foreign direct investment is an individual investment in a foreign company through cash, shares, debentures, or in another company. What is multinational company? If a business unit starts its branches in different countries and does export and sale of goods, such an enterprise is called as multinational company. What is labor force? Working people or human resource in a country is called labor force. According to 2011 censuses, answer the following questions. What is population uh, density? What is the sex ratio? What is the literacy? What is the population? What is the life expectancy? So 382 per square meter is the population density. 940 women per thousand men's is the sex ratio. 74% literacy rate. 121 crore population. 66 years is our life expectancy. Expand the following terms. FDI, foreign direct investment. GDP, gross domestic product. GNP, gross national product. GDP, net NDP, net domestic product. NNP, net national product. CPI, consumer price index. HDI, human development index. CLI, cost of living index. FII, foreign investment investor, foreign institutional investor. Name any four scheme of India to encourage manufacturing. Name any four scheme of India to encourage manufacturing. Startup India, Make in India, Mudra Yojana, PMI Yojana. State four factors that encourage foreign direct investment in India. Human capital development, technology, economic development, and export schemes. So these are the important 2 marks questions for your semester exam. So we'll meet again. Thank you.